Welcome to NeuralPulse, your ultimate destination for exploring the frontiers of artificial intelligence, neural networks, and deep learning. We're excited to have you join our community as we dive into the world of cutting-edge technology, unraveling its complexities, and discovering its incredible potential to transform our lives. AI, neural networks, and deep learning are shaping the future in unimaginable ways. Here at NeuralPulse, we're passionate about keeping you informed and engaged with the latest developments, their real-world applications, and the impact they'll have on society and industries. In our channel, you can expect to find fascinating insights into AI research, engaging discussions on ethics and societal implications, and even hands-on tutorials to help you understand and experiment with AI tools yourself. To kick things off, let's briefly explain what AI, neural networks, and deep learning are all about. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include problem-solving, learning, understanding language, and recognizing patterns. Neural networks are a subfield of AI inspired by the human brain's structure and function. These networks consist of interconnected nodes or neurons that work together to process information and make decisions. Deep learning, a subset of neural networks, involves the use of large and complex neural networks with many layers that can learn and adapt through experience. These technologies have already made significant breakthroughs in various fields. For example, AI-powered medical diagnostics can accurately detect diseases like cancer at earlier stages, while neural networks help develop self-driving cars that navigate complex traffic situations. Deep learning has even led to advancements in natural language processing, enabling AI like chatbots to understand and respond to human speech with increasing accuracy. The potential for AI, neural networks, and deep learning doesn't end there. As research and development continue, we can expect even more incredible innovations. Imagine AI systems capable of solving our most pressing global challenges, like climate change, or neural networks that can replicate human creativity, producing awe-inspiring works of art and music. The world of AI, neural networks, and deep learning is vast and ever-evolving. Here at NeuralPulse, we can't wait to embark on this exciting journey with you. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and join our community of curious minds and technology enthusiasts. We'd also love to hear your thoughts and ideas for future content, so please feel free to share your suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next NeuralPulse video, where we'll dive even deeper into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence.